Beyond the agronomic benefits of a more complete soil profile fracture when you use 360 Bullet, and especially when you're comparing it to other points that are in the market, return on investment is really worth evaluating. Data that we've collected on Bullet indicates a 4 bushel advantage, but there's some industry data out there that indicates even a better return with this product. You can find that information on 360 Yield Center's website under the Results tab. To evaluate ROI associated with the use of Bullet, we offer a ready-to-use calculator for entering your own numbers. So let's go through an example. We'll use 575 corn. As a Bullet price, we're going to enter $50. Now, for explanation on that, from this example, think of this as an analysis of the cost difference between installing Bullet versus purchasing a replacement point like what was currently on the ripper. The cost of Bullet likely is more than an existing point, but when you take into account that there's significantly more material in the Bullet point and you look at its lift and fracture action, there's little doubt it's doing more work than that OEM point. So this is the 9-stake ripper and will be used on 1,000 acres a year. Using those factors and inputting even just a 2 bushel per acre improvement, the potential added revenue, which is the bushels times the price in this calculation, is $11,500. Now the 9 points cost $450 more than the alternative point that was being considered. Deducting that amount leaves us over $11,000 of net revenue. That's nearly a 2,500% ROI, and you can recognize here it only took about 4% of those acres just to break even. The takeaway here is a decision to go with a point that offers a more uniform fracture of the soil profile and still allows next year's crop to more completely benefit from the water and nutrient access. It clearly delivers significant return in year 1 alone. And for anyone who may share concerns about needing additional fuel just to run the 360 Bullet on their ripper, this scenario shows they'd have a pretty good cushion with which to work. If you wish to look at the whole cost of the point rather than just the difference between it and the alternative, we can easily run that calculation also. We'll leave all the other factors alone and only change the price per shank, and we'll reflect that market price of Bullet. So in this case, using the HD Plus version of Bullet, you can input $210 in that price box. Now, the cost to upgrade is roughly $1,900, putting the net return around $9,600 and an acre break even at 164 acres. Even if we take that yield factor down to a 1/2 bushel, the return exceeds the investment by more than 50%. To work through your own scenario, you can locate this ROI calculator by going to 360yieldcenter.com, selecting Products, choosing Bullet, and clicking on ROI Calculator in the heading or scrolling down to the red link box. Another avenue is just simply go to 360roicalculator.com. This tool offers a good way to consider both the agronomic and the economic benefits of transitioning to 360 Bullet.